And here's how to change a WordPress website header or menu color. So currently I'm in my WordPress website and this is my header section, and currently my header or menu background color is white color. To change your header menu background color, you have to find out your menu section class or ID name. So right click on your header menu and click on inspect, and here we can see my site header ID name. This is my site menu or header ID name. So I'm going to copy my ID name of my menu, and after that you have to go to your WordPress admin dashboard and hover over on appearance and click on customize, or you can click on customize from your WordPress website. And here click on additional CSS, and in this box we have to add custom CSS codes to change our header menu background color. So I'm going to change my background menu background color using ID name. So for ID, give a hash and then paste your header section ID name. And now give a second bracket, and inside of second bracket type here background, and let's add here red color for example. And here we can see the color successfully applied and my menu background color successfully changed. And now to change your menu item colors, all you have to find out your item class name or ID name. So you have to right click on any of the menu item and click on inspect, and then here we can see my menu items class name is text-verb. So I'm going to copy my class name from here, and now for class you have to give a dot and then paste your class name, second bracket, and then type color and write the color you want to apply. And here you can see successfully I've changed my menu background and menu items colors. And after that, don't forget to click on publish to save change, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.